Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?
Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nija, and today we are going to be doing a deep clean, a little reset just to get my mind in a better space. I feel like lately I've just been in such a dark mood lately, and I just realized I don't want to stay there. Like, I don't want to stay in that dark space. I don't want my head to continue to be clouded with negative thoughts. So I figured, let me just start by getting up and just cleaning my entire home, and then after just taking like a deep shower. I was thinking about cleaning my makeup cart, but I don't think I'm gonna get through that today. The only reason I'm not going to is because I am gonna have to pack everything up. So I feel like, let me just wait a little bit, and then once I start packing everything up, because my lease is about to be up and I'm about to, God's will, move into a beautiful apartment. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm from Jacksonville, and I don't want to go back there. I like being in Miami. I like having the sun out and all that good stuff. So I'm trying to find a place down here. I'm saying all that to say, I think I'm just gonna leave my makeup space alone. I might try to get some models in before I leave, just so I can, you know, have a little extra added onto my folio. I might do a move out series. Would you guys watch that? What would you guys want to see? Like how I pack up my home, me moving in, a little apartment tour. What would you guys want to see? Just let me know, and we'll just see if I can make that happen. Enough rambling. I'm about to go ahead and clean out my apartment. That way I can take a nice deep shower and relax for the rest of the day. I do have some Hygiene empties that I want to show you guys. Let's just go ahead and get started.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why I got you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I give it up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave.
One of the things that I always try to do is sweep, mop, and vacuum twice a day, because with having a puppy, which I wish I would have known this before, but with having a puppy, there's a lot of shedding, there's a lot of dog hair. So I'm constantly sweeping, I'm constantly mopping, trying to eliminate the amount of dog hair in my apartment.
You must have told me, you make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, better. Making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You got me feeling cool, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through, something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we Want my love all night, telling me lies. Please stop telling me lies. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
If this angle looks a little crooked, I do apologize. My tripod is old. It was cheap when I got it. It worked for the time being, and now I don't know what's going on. But I'm so happy that I'm finally done cleaning. It feels good to be in a clean space. I swear, every time I clean up, it just makes my mind feel so open and just refreshed. I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know that feeling when you just clean up everything and then you just walk around in a nice clean home, looks like no one lives there, or the people that do just clean up nice and tight. You get what I'm saying. But now that I'm done, I am about to go ahead and hop in the shower. I've deep cleaned my home. Now it's time to deep clean my body. So I will talk to you guys once I'm done and out the shower.
Even we take the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain holds you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
If I look crazy right now, it's probably because I just came back from the gym, or at least that's what I like to tell myself to make myself feel good. But I was in the middle of editing this video and I realized I never showed you guys my Hygiene empties, and I need to get them out my closet. So we're about to get into that. Do you guys like my new light? It looks cute in person, but I feel like my problem now is going to be trying to adjust it to the camera, because right now I feel like it's definitely too bright. The only thing with that is I can't adjust it. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of this light and keep my old one, or if I'm going to get rid of my old one. I don't know, because I like how my old one I can adjust the light setting, but this one I can't. Like, you can't even read what it says back there, so I don't know. Let me know. I've been on a hunt for like a really good purple LED light for a minute now, and that is so hard to find. Here are all my Hygiene empties for the month. First thing that I pull out is this Olay body wash. I love this Olay body wash. It's the renewing retinol serum complex. I really like it. When I tell you, this makes my skin feel so soft. My skin feels so soft. Like, I even went a week with using that, and I did not use any type of scrubs at all, and my skin was still feeling so soft and smooth like a baby. Olay be making some good body washes. Of course, I have my EOS lotion, or what's left of it. Ooh, I still smell that vanilla. I literally had to cut this open because there was so much lotion stuck inside that bottle, and I needed every dollar's worth. I don't think I need to say too much about that. It's really thick and moisturizing, and the vanilla scent is very strong and creamy. It just smells delicious. I finally used up this St. Ives oatmeal and shea butter body wash. There's nothing special about it. I don't feel like it's overly moisturizing. I don't feel like it's anything innovative. It's just nice. It has a pretty scent. It's oatmeal and shea butter, but it smells more like vanilla, like a floral vanilla. It smells really good, but there's nothing crazy about it. Next is my Hask Argan Oil Repairing Shampoo. I really like this line. I use this, and the other one, I can't remember what type it is, but I just know, like, instead of blue around the edge, it's green. This shampoo really did its thing. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it says repairing, and I feel like that's definitely what it did. It repaired, because my hair has been growing a lot lately. I've been kind of leaving it alone, but keeping it super moisturized at the same time, and cleaning it when need be. And my hair has been growing like crazy, but it was still very dry. So I picked this up and the conditioner to it, and I've been loving it. Definitely gonna repurchase. I don't know if I'm gonna get the repairing one because I feel like at this point I don't need to repair anything, so I'll probably just get something more moisturizing. This Gold Bond Overnight Retinol Lotion, I'm not the biggest fan of it. It definitely has like a weird smell. I will only use this when I was going to bed because I would never wear this out in the day or like out around people. I don't feel like it made my skin soft at all. If anything, it's just a regular super thick lotion. Another hair product that I finally used up. This is very rare for me. I don't take care of my hair, or I didn't used to take care of my hair enough to where I was like running out of products for real. But lately that seems to be the trend because I've actually been using up my product and I've been sticking to my routine. I have to. Like, my hair has been looking so good and I just want to keep that momentum. But this is my Camille Rose Rosemary Oil Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. I really like this conditioner. It makes my scalp feel very like tingy and just fresh. It's very thick and moisturizing. I actually want to try more from the Camille Rose line. I had this, and then I had like a scalp spray because I don't know if I told y'all, but I remember one time I did my hair. I just like did something quick, like some locks, and I didn't have time to wash my hair, so my scalp was like very dirty and it was itchy. So I started using the Camille scalp spray, and I feel like that just relieved the itching and the irritation so quick. Obviously I needed to wash my hair, and eventually that's what I did, but in the meantime that definitely worked. I really hope I can find another lotion. This is the Glowing and Moisturizing Rice Niacinamide Body Lotion by Glam Fox. I guess I think I got this from Marshall's. It's a Korean lotion, and it's very lightweight but moisturizing at the same time, and it smells really good. It has like a light baby powder smell. I really like this. If I ever come across this lotion, I'm definitely gonna buy it. I know y'all see like that little bit around the bottle. I definitely could not get to that, so yeah. And it looks like it's a very thin layer anyways. It doesn't look like it's anything like crazy. Well, I actually need to re-up on this shea butter. I don't know what told me to go and order some shea butter, but I did, and I really like it. I hate the smell of shea butter. I've always hated the smell of shea butter. I know that's kind of crazy for me to say as a black woman, but I don't like it. I don't know, it smells very like grassy and earthy to me. I don't know, I just can't get with it. But I really do love this shea butter. I feel like, for one, it's very thick and you really have to use your hands to like soften up the shea butter and really be able to spread it out throughout your body. And then on top of that, you really have to step out the shower and before drying off or anything, put this on. Otherwise it's going to be hard to distribute across your body. But once you have it on, it gives you a beautiful glow, makes your skin feel very soft and moisturized. Of course, I have my Dove Advanced Care deodorant. This is a pretty deodorant. I feel like I'm like back and forth with the Dove deodorants. Like 1 minute they're working very good, they smell great, and then the next second I feel like they don't work anymore. I don't know, maybe that's just me needing to detox my underarms like once a month or every so often. But I find that I need to constantly switch out my deodorants. If I don't switch out my deodorants, I think my skin just starts to get too used to it and then it kind of stops working. Last but definitely not least, we definitely saved the best for last. This is my Double Diamond perfume that I got off Amazon. There's still like a tiny drop in here. Oh yeah, I might as well get that last little drop out. Wow, this perfume smells so good. It's so strong and it smells like baby powder. It's a really pretty fresh powdery scent. Can't get enough of this. It was only like $11 off Amazon, but I noticed every time I go back and I repurchase a bottle, the price always goes up. Like it went from being it went from being like $8 to being $11 to being $14 to being $17, and now it's back down to $14. So I don't know if the person selling these perfumes are just seeing an influx in purchasing from me constantly ordering this perfume and they're going up on the price because it's like, this must be super in right now, so let me jack up the price. Or if they just have like a limited supply and they're just having to up the price. I don't know, it's kind of weird how the price keeps going up. But you can even order this off Fragrance Net for like $8. So if they jack the price up too high, I'm just gonna wait for them to bring it down, or I'm just gonna order it off Fragrance Net, which I don't like to do because they take forever to deliver and I hate ordering perfume and having to wait so long to smell it. I've already ordered another bottle and I'm already almost done with that one. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I promise I'm gonna get more consistent with the content drop. Let me know what you guys would like to see from me. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this part and you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. And don't forget to leave a comment. I want to know what's you guys' best like hygiene product. Like what's your holy grail, either hygiene product or hygiene step? Just let me know in the comment section. Let's start a discussion. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.